Guys, today, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to build a tornado siren in Minecraft. We need iron, and we need a note block, and we need a redstone, and a redstone torch, and we need an end rod. We need to do up to 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to here. And we need to do it 8 times. And we need to break this and put a redstone and put a note block. Then we need to put a torch. Yeah, I forgot, I need a lever. That's how you make a tornado siren, but we're not finished yet. It's not like this, but we need an end rod. That's how you make a tornado siren. Please subscribe to my. Please subscribe.